What's good, guys? So today we're gonna go over 4 drills. So for all you beginners out there that don't have that boxing footwork, I'm gonna get you to improve them. So by the time you get into the ring, you're nice and loose and you're able to circle your opponent in all angles. So guys, we're gonna jump right into this. Welcome to the RB Effect. Like that? Yeah? Good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reggie B. The mistake that you see a lot of people make, they just go into the ring and they think just because they have fast hands or they're strong, they're able to be a pro in boxing. It can help you, but so far, because if you don't have the correct footwork, you'll be tripping over your feet, you'll be hitting and not knowing how to circle the opponent because the person's gonna be circling you. So having that good footwork is very important in boxing. So I made up 4 drills that you guys to really get a hang of. So by the time you become a pro, or you're just going to the gym, hitting the bag or going against an opponent, you're nice and loose and you're able to move a lot easier as you throw your punches. So guys, we're gonna jump right into this video. You guys ready? Let's get it. Drill number 1, moving forward and moving back. So when you're boxing and you're going against an opponent, the person's always gonna come towards you. And if not, if they're moving back, you're gonna have to come towards them. So it's important to have that footwork so as you're moving forward, you're not tripping over your feet, and as you're moving back, you're not off balance. So each time when you go into the ring, I want you to throw this drill in there, and I can guarantee you that each time you'll get a lot better and you'll know how to move a lot easier. So what we're gonna do is gonna be forward and back. If I'm going towards a person, you see people, they're using their heel to touch first. You never want that heel to touch first. So you see if I'm doing this, you see how I'm moving forward like this? You don't want to do that. You always want to stay nice and loose, and you want to stay on the toes. So as I'm moving forward, you want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You never see my feet ever do this or me going backwards. You don't want to do that because if I'm moving forward like this, I can get tripped if the person circles. And if I'm going backwards and I'm doing this, the person can go around me or I can fall backwards because I'm off balance. So you always want to keep this distance in between your feet. That's how you do forward and back. Drill number 2, going sideways while walking. So when you're going side to side, never, like I said in the last one, you don't want to get your feet to trip over each other. So you never want to do this as you're going to the side. And you see people do it all the time. Or if I'm going this way, no. You always want to stay ready and in a stance. So as I'm going this way, I'm gonna 3, 4. See, I'm on my toes. 2, 3, 4. You don't want to have that. You'll see some guys as they're doing it, they're doing here, and then you're using their heels. If you've seen in other boxing videos of guys teaching you how to do footwork, how could you teach footwork correctly if you're doing it wrong? So you'll see sometimes they're doing this that may look right to the naked eye. You see I'm on my heel? You always want to be on the toes because that's going to make you go fast. That's how you move side to side. Drill number 3, using the forward and back with a 180 turn. So if I'm boxing, the person can use and circle around me. So as I'm using drill number 1 of going forward and going back, if the person circles me, you're not gonna attack them doing this. No, you're gonna have to completely 180 turn. So what I want you to do when you're in the ring or even at home, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pay attention to my feet. Bend. I'm back. I didn't go here and then completely turn and then back this way. No. 1, 2, stop, and then I'm back this way. 1, 2. I can go backwards. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, bang. That's how you always want to be in that stance. For me going this way, for me going this way, this way. You see how they're always the same distance. There's never a time when I'm too close or I'm too far away. You want to always keep the same distance in between your feet, always stay on those toes. That's how you do forward back with a 180 turn. Drill number 4. What I want you to do, I want you to imagine a square. And that's going to be your canvas of walking forward, going sideways, 180 turn. We're going to use all of them in one. So what I want you to do, you're going to do 4 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam. So now I'm going to completely go the opposite way, this way, and then boom. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm staying in that box. You want to stay in that nice square because in the ring, you never want to get towards the ropes because there's no more movement. That's why it's so important to circle your opponent and use your footwork, because if the person's trying to attack you, you know how to move out. So if I'm going this way, I'm bam, bam. I'm out this way, I'm this way, I'm this way. The person starts trying to come towards me, I can use my back and then 180 them and push them to the corner. Bam. And then pop, 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 pop. That's how you do it. If I'm moving this way, I'm going towards the person. All of a sudden, the person wants to switch up and start attacking me. And now the corner's right over here. They're coming towards me. I can 180, boom, pop, boom, 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 boom. That's why that 180 turn and using these footwork drills can definitely help you when you're boxing. So guys, I want you to do 4 forward, turn, 4 this way, turn, use it as a square, 180, and do the opposite. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoy and you do these drills. I can guarantee you as time goes on, your footwork's gonna get a lot better. You have so many videos on the internet of how to improve your footwork, but a lot of times it's showing you somewhat advanced things. You can't do advanced things unless you get the beginning stuff under control first. So you're not gonna be able to be like, okay, I'm moving this way, I'm doing Muhammad Ali shuffle, I'm going this way, I'm moving this way. If you don't know how to keep your foot placement without you crossing your feet, going this way, okay, this is how you keep the distance in between. If I'm moving forward, if I'm moving back, if I'm 180, that's how you're gonna be able to get to advance. Get the fundamentals down first, and then you move on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Practice these drills because you can get better as time goes on. Also, guys, don't forget, hit that notification button so you know my next video comes out. It's your boy Reggie B. Like my video, subscribe to my video so your boy can be back. And if you do that, I'll be real proud of you. Metamorphosis complete.